Okay, here we have another word equation that we're going to decode. Remember, we still go left to right. So it's hydrogen gas and iron 3 oxide powder react to form liquid water and iron powder. Start here. Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen, remember diatomic, Brinkelhoff, so he always has his twin. Gas is a G. Plus iron 3. Remember, when we have Roman numerals, that means the charge of the transition metal. So iron plus 3. Oxygen, you get its charge off of its family, group 16, has a -2 charge. We crisscross. And that's a powder, so that's a solid. React to form liquid water. And again, they wouldn't have to necessarily say that. It's just another guarantee. But if they don't tell you, you assume that it's a liquid. And iron powder. Powder is a solid. So now I'm going to rewrite H2 with my little lines for balancing. It's not a proper scientific sentence or grammatical, if you want to think about it that way, if it's not balanced. We don't write the charges in our sentence. Those are just used to create our words, but we don't keep them on there, those notations on there. All right, and we make our chart. I don't have any hydroxide on the left, so I have no diatomics, so I'm going to keep all the elements separate. H, F, E, O, 2 H's, 2 Fe's, 3 O's. On the right, 2 H's, 1 Fe, 1 O. So I'm going to fix my oxygens first. I'm going to put a 3 on the right side so that now I have 3 oxygens on the right. So it matches my 3 oxygens on the left. But I also remember I have to distribute to that hydrogen. So instead of having 2 hydrogens, I now have 3 times 2, or 6 hydrogens. So now my oxygens are okay, but my hydrogens are off. So I have 6 hydrogens on the left. So I need to get 6 hydrogens here. Something times 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. So now my hydrogens match and my oxygens match. But now my irons are still off. So I have 2 irons on the left, so I need to have 2 irons on the right. When I go back and double check, always double check so you don't have silly mistakes. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Hydrogen meets conservation of mass. We don't have any extra hydrogens floating around like magic. 2 irons on the left, 2 irons on the right. 3 oxygens on the left, 3 oxygens on the right. Make the formula pretty by adding a 1. You are done.